Since I was a teenager, I've been creating boho macrame designs. I'm Jude, a jewelry designer here at Fire Mountain Gems and Beads, and I'm excited to show you some basic macrame techniques. So I've cut 2 lengths of cord, and what I'm going to do is fold each one of those in half. And I'm going to do the basic connection, which is they call a Larks Head. I'm using a hoop here, but you can use anything that you can wrap your cord around. So all I've done there is fold it in half, put it under the finding, bring up over the loop there, and then just pull it taut. And now I'm ready to make my knots. And so to begin with, the most basic of macrame knots is the square knot. And it consists of at least, you have to work with 4 cords. These 2 center cords are going to be my anchor cords. This is going to be number 1, and this one's number 4. And to start, I'm going to take my number 1 cord and put it over my 2 anchors, and take number 4 and bring it up over the number 1 cord, and then go up under, and then pull it up to the Larks Head. Now that's 1/2 of a square knot. Then I'm going to take my number 1 cord again and put it under my anchor cords, take my number 4 and put it under my anchor cords, and put it through the loop there. And now I have 1 square knot. So again, 1 over the anchors, 4 over all the cords and under, and so I'm just going to repeat this till I have my desired length, and you're ready to go. I'm going to do my Larks Head again. And now I still have my 2 centers are going to be my anchor cords. This is going to be number 1, and this is going to be number 4. And basically, I'm going to be showing you the spiral, and all that is the first half of the square knot. So I'm going to take my number 1 cord over the 2 anchors, number 4 over the tail of the 1, and then go under the 2 cords and pull it up tight there. And I'm going to do the same thing over and over again. So instead of going the opposite way for the square knot, I'm going the same way. 1 over the anchors, 4 over the 1 and through. And I just continue doing that. And as you can see, it's starting to spiral, and it spirals all by itself. So 1 over the anchor, 4 over the tail of the 1, and through the loop. And as you can see, it's starting to do its little twist there. So all you do is continue on until you get your desired length of this, and it'll just keep spiraling. Makes a nice design. Adds some texture to your work.
And And another basic macrame technique is the double half-hitch knot.
And I've cut 3 cords, folded them in half. I'm connecting with the Larks Head. And we're going to be working with 6 cords. And again, there is an anchor cord, and that's going to be our number 1 cord, and I'll show you that in 1 minute. So, this is my number 1 cord. All the rest of my other 5 cords are working cords. I'm going to cross over the number 2 cord. I'm going to bring my number 2 cord up, bring it over the number 1, and go back under and through the loop there and slide it up as far as I can. And I'm going to do that again with the same 2 cords and slide it up. Now I'm going to take my number 3 cord, bring it up over the number 1, under and through the loop, and I'm going to do the same thing again, over, under, and through. And then I'm taking my next cord, and as you can see, it's creating this pattern. I could go straight across, I could go just straight down. I can create all different kinds of patterns with this half hitch. So I'm going to go over my number 1, go through, over again, and through. And my last cord on this. Over, through, and slide up. And sometimes it's nice to take a pin to hold your cord down like this. This is still my number 1 cord. I'm going to use the next cord over and put it over and slide it down, over again, and slide it up there. The next cord. Over, under, same cords, and you can see this pattern forming. So I could have, what I'm starting here is a zigzag pattern. It could be, you could have crosses, you could have straight lines. There's all different, endless possibilities with this. And there you have it. Your half hitches. So here are the basics. Your square knot, your spiral, and
The double half-hitch knot.
with any combination of those you can create fabulous patterns. So for more information, go to firemountaingems.com.